You'll be shooting a hole-in-one with the purchase of this renovated 3-bedroom/2.5-bath townhome near Henderson Golf Course, just 20 minutes from downtown Savannah. The open floor plan features a spacious kitchen and dining area, large family room with a gas fireplace, and beautiful wood flooring on the ground level. The kitchen has granite countertops, recessed lighting, a food pantry, stainless steel appliances, including a double oven and built-in microwave, and a kitchen island with bar-top seating. The master suite is located on the main floor and features a double vanity and handicap-accessible shower. Upstairs has 2 bedrooms, bathroom, and a walk-in attic, providing plenty of storage space. Outside, you can relax on the screened and patio, overlooking a private backyard and peaceful wooded area behind the home. Grocery and retail stores, entertainment, and restaurants are all nearby with quick access to